Hello student, myself Vinod Panara, and in this lecture we discuss about joining and formatting of strings. Okay. Now first one, that is joining of string. How we join two or more string. We can join a group of strings with respect to the given separator. Now S is equal to separator dot join and in the parenthesis group of string. Now this group of string that is present in a list or tuple. Okay, so we have to use join function to join different string. Now for example, T is equal to in the parenthesis Sunny, Bunny and Ginny. These three are string, first, second and third. Now S is equal to, in the single quote there is a dash dot join and in the parenthesis T. T means tuple. Now print S. It means Sunny, then dash, then Bunny, then dash, then Ginny. So these three string join by using join function. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. Now changing case of a string. It means from lower case to uppercase, from uppercase to lowercase. So that is changing case of a string. Now we can change case of a string by using following four methods. First, upper method to convert all character to uppercase, whether it is lower or upper, but convert all character into uppercase. Then second one, lower method to convert all character to lower case. Third, sweep case, convert all lower case character to uppercase and all uppercase to lower case. Okay, that is sweep case method. Then fourth, title method to convert all character to title case. It means first character in every word should be uppercase and all remaining character should be lowercase. So it is title method. Then next one, capitalize method. Only first character will be converted into uppercase and all remaining character of string can be converted into lowercase. So there are upper function method, lower function method, sweep case function method, title method and capitalize method. Okay. Now example, S, that is one type of string. S is equal to learning Python is very easy. Now print first S dot upper, second S dot lower, third S dot sweep case, fourth S dot title, fifth S dot capitalize. So first one, S dot upper function. It means all character of string that is uppercase. So learning Python is very easy. All character that is converted into uppercase. Second, S dot lower function. So all character in a string that is converted into lower case. Then third, S dot sweep case. Then all upper character converted into lower character and lower character converted into upper character of string. So in string, this P, that is upper character, E, that is upper character, and all remaining is lower. So convert this P and E into lower character and all remaining into upper character. That is sweep case. Then S dot title. So in this string, the first character of a word that is uppercase and the remaining character of word that is lowercase. So this is about title function. And last, S dot capitalize function. So first character that is only uppercase and remaining all character of string that is lowercase in capitalized function. Okay. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So same program s is equal to learning Python is very easy. First print s dot upper, second s dot lower, s dot sweep case, s dot title, s dot capitalize. So if we print out this program, then output that is first upper character, second lower character, third sweep case, fourth title, and fifth capitalize. So this is about changing case of string. Okay. Now to check type of character present in a string, which type of character present in a string, that is checked out by following method. First is alphanumeric, return true if all character are alphanumeric. It means from small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, and 0 to 9. So if all character that is alphanumeric, then return is true, otherwise return is false. Second one is alpha, return true if all character are only alphabet symbol, only alphabet, small a to small z or capital A to capital Z. Then is a digit, return true if all the character are digits only, it means 0 to 9. Then is lower, return true if all character are lowercase alphabet symbol. If all character of string are lowercase, then return true. Is upper, return true if all character are uppercase. And last is title, return true if string is in title case. Okay. Now formatting the string. We can format the string with variable value by using replacement operator and format method. So here two word that is important. Huh? Replacement operator. This is replacement operator and format method. Okay, we use these two nomenclature. Now, for example, name is equal to Durga, salary 10,000, age 48. These three value are given. Now print this replacement operator, salary is replacement operator and his age is replacement operator. So up to this that is present in double quote. Then dot format method, and in format method three value are given because replacement operator that is used, that is three, first, second, and third. So value that is given according to replacement operator. So first name, it means value of name Durga, that is transfer here. Then salary 10,000 transfer in second, and age 48 transfer in third replacement operator. So we get Durga's salary is 10,000 and his age is 48. Okay, so three replacement operator is used and three value name, salary, and age one by one provided. Now this is also try in some other way. For example, print in replacement operator 0, salary is in replacement operator 1, and his age is in replacement operator 2. Then dot format, and in the parenthesis name, salary, and age. It means name. What is value of name? Durga. That is transfer at 0 index. Then salary. What is salary? 10,000. That is transfer at 1. And age 48. That is transfer at a 2. So output of these two print statement, that is same. Durga's salary is 10,000 and his age is 48. Same. Durga's salary is 10,000 and his age is 48. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So name is equal to Durga, salary is equal to 10,000, age 48, and print this one and this one. So if we run this program, then output same. Durga's salary is 10,000, his age is 48. Durga's salary is 10,000, his age is 48. So this is about formatting the string, and we use two main nomenclature in formatting the string. First, replacement operator, and second, format method. Okay, so in this lecture, we discuss about joining the string. We use join function, then check character of string, whether it is lowercase, uppercase, capitalize. Okay, and at last we discuss about formatting the string. So this is about today lecture. Thank you for today lecture.